success with the Go High Level SaaS selling. The only thing that we need to understand is the way to sell is actually try to figure it out yourself. Would you like to be sold? Do you like to be sold like somebody coming, hey, I have this, I'm going to sell you this, or probably we have this feature, that feature, this feature, that feature, or probably you would rather want a value first or done for you proof in front of you without any pressure of you buying. That takes the guard away from you, and it is a solution which is actually working for you. And that's when you after trying testing, that's when you find it comfortable buying the respective thing. Like, this is the general minds of the people, and that is exactly, if you do with the Go High Level, you will be able to sell it so well. My name is Abdullah Zahid. I have been using Go High Level and associated some way or the other with the Go High Level from 2020, early 2020. Post one of the posts, as you can see, when there were just 1,500 agencies. I've done interview of Sean Clark, the CEO and the co-founder, the biggest, the most famous face in the Go High Level community, and then another co-founder, Varun Varavan. If you would have seen the Level Up, like, Varun was a great presenter, and basically he's another co-founder with the spokesperson of Go High Level, the Chase Buckner. It's all like a long interview, like 1 hour long interview strategy. So pretty much I do very much into the Go High Level. So what I'm going to show you is that how do you sell the SaaS. So what I just told you, that in front of the people whom you're trying to sell, you right away present a done for you solution, and then remove the barrier to entry, which is like, okay, I'm going to give you this free trial, probably 14 days free trial, 30-day free trial. And then once you have started giving the free trial and started getting the conversion, later on you can keep it as $1 trial. That $1 is basically just to remove people who just want the free, and then later on $1 is not a big deal, but people getting into it, now you have a paying customer, somebody who has put the card on the file. It gets much easier to get the next level of commitment. So what exactly is the solution? Done for you automation for any niche possible. That means you name a dentist, chiropractors, coaching, communities, landscaping, spa, med spa, anything that you can think of, it's all there. But here you're not just presenting, hey, we can do CRM for you, hey, we can do like what you're presenting. We can 24/7 automate your entire business with all your contacts. So you have just one platform to monitor, and everything is automated. And then you will show them that this is how it is automated. The customer comes in, chats with the AI agent books the appointment. Everything is handled by the workflow, and yes, it is possible. So now I'm going to show you how this is possible. And basically I have quickly recorded this video, similar video you record, and then how do you get this solution. So I'm going to just quickly start the slide which you are going to present. So basically this is a video. So there you go. As you can as you show it to them, that the customer comes in and it asks, okay, tell me about your business, visits the website, and then it is going to reply. The AI chatbot now is going to totally take over. So basically it can ask any question, and let's say the person is like, okay, I have an injury. In this case, it's physical therapy. It can be any niche, and I'm going to show you how you can convert to any niche possible. So here it is giving 14th October, 15th October. These are the dates that you can book the appointment. And now let's say the customer is giving the appointment dates as 16th. Okay, I want the 16th October 3 p.m. The next thing that you can see, the appointment, it is saying that, okay, I'm going to book the appointment. Just provide your name, phone number, and email address, and a brief description of your issue. So there you go. It just provided the brief description of the issue. Next thing you know, that the appointment is set and booked. And if you go to the respective contacts, the CRM is updated. And if you see what all sequence of events has happened within the conversation, the moment AI chatbot books the appointment actually on the calendar, then workflow is triggered where SMS is sent to the client, hey, your appointment is booked, and opportunity or dashboard is updated. So respective, user, your client logs in, they are able to see as many clients who have booked the appointment. Automatically SMS is sent, internal notification is sent, and it's all defined in this workflow of this snapshot. And this is just one snapshot. You have like 100 plus snapshot that you're going to get. So as you can see, here is the workflow. That, okay, send a SMS immediately the moment somebody books appointment, then send another 24 hours before and 1 hour before. So imagine 24/7 the entire business is automated. So the folder that you are going to get has entire, any snapshot that you can think of: divorce, mortgage, buyer, seller, real estate, security, HVAC, restaurant, then even the premium ones, coaching, communities, and then you have the AI powered script which can convert any snapshot into AI driven. So to make it AI driven, you just need the script to be pasted. for the voice agent and conversation AI. So the script is also given in the folder. You just copy and paste in ChatGPT and change the niche that you want, and it gives you the done for you script for that conversation AI and voice agent. So your entire snapshot is changed in a flip with whatever niche that you want. So that's what you're going to get, guys. It is going to be super amazing. And not just that, as I'll show you, like you will even be able to get the private WhatsApp mastermind group access. So as you can see, I mean, over here I've created, Gohighlevel mastermind group, and you will be getting access entry to this. And basically, like, it's like all the inner circle people. But not just that, there will be another group form where personal one-to-one private support will be offered via the Zoom call and whatever way that you wish with my expert. So ensuring that all your hiccups are gone and you are totally able to get. So this is the bonus one. Bonus one is 127 snapshot, which I just showed you, which is going to automate your entire thing. Private mastermind group access through the WhatsApp and private WhatsApp personal support. Like, this is $10,000 would be underestimation because it's valued far much more. The only thing we are requesting in return is you sign up to the Gohighlevel using our affiliate link, which is the extended 30-day free trial, using the link gohighlevel.com/AbdullahZahid. Now, if you already got the plan, then let's say you've already got the 30-day free trial, or probably you're already using Gohighlevel and you can't like cancel and reuse and whatever, then you can just upgrade to $297 or $497 plan using this link, abdullahzahid.com/snapshot. You'll find those links and the bonuses details at this web page. And right after you have signed up, just email me quickly at abdullah@abdullahzahid.com or WhatsApp me here at this number. We are going to deliver you the entire bonus vault right away to ensure that you right away get onto the success path. So guys, I mean, I hope that you found the video helpful, and literally this is the key, guys. Like, whether you are already using, and I mean, we need to find the way for the solution, and we need to be empathetic to the people, that we are supposed to provide certain value to the people. That, okay, this is the solution. You want to work with the people, not just grab their money. Like, this should be our goal, that we want to help as many people as possible. And the moment you actually show up with your action, it is going to show up in your body language, and the closing the clients would be much easier. So you want to sell the solution which is actually worth it. I hope that you found the video helpful. Thanks a lot for watching in. I really wish to hear from you on the WhatsApp or the email. Bye-bye. Hi, my name is Abdullah Zahid, and I have a confession to make. I have been associated with Gohighlevel as an independent affiliate from the past 4 years. I've done interview of Sean Clark, the CEO and the co-founder, another co-founder, Varun Varavan. Super amazing people these are, one of the best software, and that is why we are on a journey to promote this software to as many people as possible. So we thought of solving the problem of the agencies for free. We have seen a lot of agencies who sign up new or just get on board with the Gohighlevel. They have a lot of issues because they do not know this, how do you set up, and then how do you use the system. They have a lot of question answer. They need constantly somebody to be around so that they can ask the question, they can get the setup. So they happen to even invest a lot of money hiring people around to get their website development, to do XYZ things. So we have converted all of this into a form of bonus for anybody who signs up using our referral link. So all you have to do is just go to the website abdullahzahid.com/snapshots, and that's where you can just click on the link and sign up for the 30-day free trial, or upgrade to the $297 or the $497 plan. Now, what are the bonuses that we are going to give you? Number one, one-to-one WhatsApp support, personal WhatsApp support. A group will be formed between me, you, and my Gohighlevel expert person, and the lady will be constantly there for your support. We'll do the onboarding, all your question and answer, anything that you wish to get developed, she will be developing. My goal is that the WhatsApp group will be ended only when you say, okay, I am satisfied with the support. That's the number one. Number two, you will be getting 127 exclusive snapshot. Basically, these exclusive snapshot, if you individually try to get them in the market, you'll have to pay thousands of dollars just for one snapshot. This is a done for you template, by the way. But here you are going to get it completely free, the entire 127 snapshot set. Not just that, even the personal website or the funnel development, if you wish, our Gohighlevel expert will do it for you. Then the fourth bonus would be, we understand the importance of the artificial intelligence. So the AI employee, entire grasping, like teaching you how do you do that, how does it work, and even doing the setup if you wish for it. And personalized guidance to all the secret trainings and the courses that are available for you to watch and do, as well as the private community access. So this is a personalized time bonus that we are giving to you, which is a unique bonus that you are going to get as an affiliate, because a lot of other people I have seen, they provide done for you courses and bonus which you can get it anyways onto the YouTube and other promo materials. So here is the personalized support, which is really going to be beneficial for you guys. All you have to do is just go to the link abdullahsai.com/snapshots as onto the screen, sign up for the 30-day free trial or upgrade to the $297 or $497 plan, and you are going to get, like, using the button link available there, you'll get all the bonus I just mentioned, irrespective whether you sign up using our link or not. I wish you guys all the best and I really love you. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Hi guys, just want to shoot this quick video. Last month I signed up to Gohighlevel using Abdullah's affiliate link, and he gave me the snapshots as promised, and also I worked closely one-on-one with his Gohighlevel expert, and that was amazing and very helpful. She walked me through Gohighlevel, helped me create some workflows and automations. And yeah, if you're considering working with Abdullah or signing under his link, I highly recommend it. And yeah, wish you good luck. Cheers.